Adults made up 5/12 of the crowd of people at a concert. After a bus carrying 50 more people arrived, adults made up 11/25 of the people at the concert. Find the minimum number of adults who could have been at the concert after the bus arrived. We'll define X as the number of people at the concert before the bus. And can construct the following equation. So 5/12 times X, this is the number of adults at the concert before the bus. And that's going to be equal to, we'll add some Y. Let's say this is the number of adults on the bus. That's going to be equal to the number of adults at the concert after the bus, which is going to be 11/25 times the number of people at the concert after the bus. We were told there are 50 people at the bus, so the number of people at the concert after the bus is going to be X plus 50. So this whole expression is the number of people, or number of adults and from here we can just multiply that out. And get a common denominator here, which is going to be multiply this by 25/25 and this by 12/12 to get the following. And simplify here, we're going to get so we arrive at the following. We want to find the minimum number of adults who could have been at the concert after the bus. So therefore, we want to find the minimum number of people at the concert. Smallest number we can make that, we could say X equals 300 and get this number needs to be positive, and this should be an integer. So when we plug in X equals 300, we get 7 is equal to Y minus 22. So we have Y equal to 29. So this X equals 300 should be the smallest value for X, which would therefore be the smallest number for the number of adults at the concert after the bus. So given that X equals 300, we want to find the number of adults at the concert after the bus. And that number is just this. And so we want to plug in X equals 300 into that. $350 divided by 25 is 14. And 11 times 14 is 154. And that is the number of adults at the concert after, or the minimum number of adults who could have been at the concert after the bus arrived, 154 adults.